Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I am at the garden house, so we are at the garden house today. And today we're going to just work on the last bit of the cladding. The materials come now, so I received that. And we're going to try and fit that today and finish the outside of the building as far as the cladding is concerned. So I'll show you guys in a minute what we've got the material. So it's galvanized material. And we're going to be fitting that to around the window or around the door, should I say. And then we've got a little bit of flashing and stuff to do as well. Once we've done that, get that ready and prepped, and I'm going to be spraying that in copper. So yeah, let's have a look at it. All right guys, so this is the material that we're using. As you can see, nice and shiny metal. It's galvanized steel plate, and basically this I think is the largest sheet you can get this in. It's 2500 long by I think it's like 1.25, something like that, wide. So these sheets will be big enough to do what we need to do, so I had to get the larger sheets. So we're having one sheet on the ceiling there, we're having one here, and we're having one here. So I have three. So they're very precise and tricky cuts, so I've got to really get the cuts right. So we're gonna spend some time sort of, you know, measuring this out, getting our angles and everything, so when we cut it, we get it right. So I'm going to be using the tin snips to cut these. Hopefully it should cut these correctly. So I'm going tight up to this side of the door, and then right up to the edge here, and then we're going to have a trim on the edge there. So we're going to start with the ceiling first, and let's see how we can get on. Some of you were asking about these screws and whether there were these covers for them. So I just wanted to show you guys as MJ's putting these little caps on. So they're black caps that match with the cladding. Hi guys, we are done for today. Trying to get out of this weather. Oh my gosh, I need the Caribbean. But anyway, we're doing what we can. Today's been a slow day. This cladding stuff, it's really slow, really slow to get the details right, to get all the angles right. A lot of cutting, remeasuring to try and fit things as nice as we can. But we've done well today. We managed to get that area done which we wanted to do, and we finished a couple of our bits, did some of the edging as well, and pretty much it's literally just like 3 little places of trim that we need to do, and then we're done. We also got the outside lights all ready for connection as well. So we're going to show you guys what we did. Let's have a quick look. Alright guys, so this is the space right now. Show you what we've done. So obviously we've done all around here. We've done the bits of the cappings on there. We just got that little bit to do on the top. It's the only thing we didn't get to do, but that's literally going to take us about 20 minutes. We've done all the metal, as you can see. This was the hardest part of the day, really. Getting all this metal in. As you can see, all the way up here. It's all tucked wrapped around there, and then we've got the edging on it. We've also done around here as well, all the way down. So we just got a little piece of the bits to put there, and a little piece at the bottom there. So that's will be done next time. And there's a little tiny piece above the window. That's literally it. So yeah, otherwise then we're literally done. So yeah, I think it's looking good. I think that area is now finished off quite nice. I'll be looking forward to see what it looks like once it's all painted. So it's going to be sprayed copper once it's all done, so that'll be a contrast to the black and copper, and obviously everything else inside is white. So yeah, so there'll be a light here, there'll be a light here, 2 lights in the front. There's also going to be 2 lights down the side here as well, along here, one there and one down there as well, the lights on the side. But yeah, this is the space. So yeah, I'm very happy with how it's looking. This has been a labor of love, I tell you that now. This has not been an easy job, but yeah, we're getting there, plowing through. So that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know what you think of the progress so far. I know this one's been a lot of mixed reactions. Some love it, some hate it. Like, it's a bit like Marmite, this one. Me personally, obviously I'm the one doing the work, so I'm gonna say it, but I do really like it. I really like the concept. I really like how it's come out. I would love to have something like this personally here. So I'm definitely thumbs up for it. So let me know what you think. You thumbs up, you thumbs down. Now, as you've seen it coming together, let us know. I bet you if you don't like it, once it's all the sprays bits done, I bet you like it then. But yeah. Well guys, we're shooting off now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And we'll catch you up on the next one. Take care.